Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing another recipe with you. So today I'm showing you how I make white chili. I start with a little bit of olive oil in my pan, a pound of chicken, some garlic, and the recipe calls for actual onions, but my family hates onions, so I just add a bunch of onion powder. No actual measurement, just dump a bunch in there. That way we still get the flavor. So I'm going to saute that around until the chicken is completely cooked. Then I'm going to add in just about 2 cups of chicken broth. I add slightly less. Also going to add 2 cans of diced green chilies. These are 4-ounce cans. And you don't drain them or anything, you just dump them in. And as always, in the description box below, I have the full recipe and all the exact measurements. Next, I'm going to add in a couple cans of Great Northern beans that have been rinsed and drained. And then some spices. So I have cumin, pepper, salt. And I give that a good mix, and I'm going to simmer that for 30 minutes. Once that is done simmering, I'm going to turn off the heat, and I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. I just really gradually add mine and continue to mix it. That way it gets incorporated. And then towards the end, I just dump the rest in. And you're also going to add sour cream. Now, my original recipe says to add a total of 8 ounces. I felt like that was way too much, so I probably only add about 4 ounces. I just kind of eyeball it. And then you just continue to stir that until the sour cream melts. And when you're done with that, it's ready to serve. This is actually the only kind of chili I like. I don't like regular red chili at all. White chili is just so good. And I'm sure most of you have probably had it. At least it's a really big thing where I live, but it's delicious. If you guys have never tried it, definitely give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.